Chinese-made train system now the fastest rolling stock in South America market. This is Global Times News. Editor Li Jian from China, esns.cn. Trains made by China's rolling stock maker CRRC, the country's largest rolling stock manufacturer by production volume, are the fastest rolling stock in South America market, said the company. Dual-power trains entered service on Friday in Chile. CRRC Sifang Co, a unit of China Railway rolling stock, say on Saturday in a statement. The trains can switch its power between diesel and electricity, are designed to achieve a maximum speed of 160 km per hour. Each train boasts capacity for 236 passengers and could carry 630 passengers under overload mode. The fastest train in South America has already started operations, the Chilean Transport and Telecommunications Ministry announced. The train service connects capital Santiago with Curicó in 2 hours, cutting travel time by 20 minutes. CRRC Sifang Co said that the train could help improve the transportation service for millions of people in the region. CRRC Sifang Co has won a bid to build a total of 195 rolling stocks for various sections of railways in Chile. The trains include electrical multiple unit, EMU, diesel engine powered trains, and dual power trains. This is Omar Global Radio News.